they are given service time. So this is what August 2020 question paper has been asked for. So now how to do this is what one of the thing what we can check it out. Okay. So from this data what we have solved, from this inputs what we have solved it here, right? So TA is clear for us how to do it, and there is something for this W we need to something is missing out, some information is missing out for this. So how to calculate this W? Okay, so let us find out up to TA bar for this problem, and W will have some more discussions later. Okay, yeah. So as of now we'll move forward for this. I'm assuming this one as what? This one I'm trying to do it for FCFS. FCFS means what? First come first serve. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 we got. So we'll try to draw the Gantt charts. So Gantt chart we try to draw it. So this chart what it says. So sorry. This completely digital pad is not out of box. We cannot able to imagine where it will go. I'm trying to draw the box here this way. Yeah. Okay, fine. So this is your 0 time. At the 0 time P1 we got here. So P1 will arrive. Okay, fine. Now P1 will complete this service. It will take up to 3. Correct. So it will complete by 3. At this point of time, no one is waiting. Only P1 is waiting. So P1 only will be waiting here. Because 0, none of them have less than 0 or 0, right? Now 3 we got. 3 means you check here less than 3. So 2, 3 and 0. So 0 already completed for P1. So it's done. So at this point of time, we have waiting for P2 and P3. Both are waiting. Now this FCFS will give the access to P2. Correct, because it is first before P3, so P2 will get the access. It will take 3 more seconds to complete it. So 3 plus 3 it will around 6 seconds. After this, at 6 seconds, less than 6 seconds, we have P3 and P4. So we have P3 and P4 waiting up here. From that we'll get the access for P3. So this is going to end up somewhere at plus 2 milliseconds or plus 2 seconds, let us say. 6 plus 2, it is going to end up at 8 seconds. At this 8 seconds, less than 8. So P5 is not arrived at. Only option we have is what? Only option is for P4. P5 is not arrived because 8 it is. So 9 is greater than 8. So it is not arrived. It is going to arrive next second. So we have default P4 here. It will have a service time of 5 seconds. So 8 plus 5. So 12, it will go up to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 it will come up to, correct. And after that 9, 13 less than anything, what left out, only 9 is left out. So P3 is completed, P4 is completed, only we get here, P5 will get here. So P5 will load into the chart. So P5 will have completed after 3. So 16 it is going to complete. So we can write here time as what? So what to write now? Completed time. So completed time what we can write? So this is going to complete P1 completed by 3 seconds, 6, it's complete by 8, and this complete by 13, this complete by 16. Now what is this TA, turnaround time, we need to find. So turnaround time is what? This completion time here minus this arrival time. Okay, so 3 minus 0, so it is 3, and then 6 minus 2, this 6 and minus 2, it is 4, and 8 minus 3, which is 5, and then 13 minus 5, 8, and 16 minus 9, which is how much? 7. Now they're asking to find this TA bar. So TA bar is what? It is 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 divided by total number of process. How many? 5 process. So how much is going to come around? 7 plus 7, 14 plus 7 again 21, 22, 22 plus 5. 27 divided by 5. Approximately how much you are going to get it? 5.5 how much? 25 and again 20, 5.40 seconds. Yes or no? Approximately this one you're going to get. And now this one is interesting part. This one, let us try to look it out and what is happening here. So the information is not completely given, so we cannot able to find it out. So I'll give the clarity in the next class. Okay. So other 5 minutes, if you're good enough, we'll continue. Don't have any class right now. If you're interested, other 5 minutes we can continue. So till what time we have? 15 minutes late we did it. Another 5 minutes is good enough. Okay, they'll not take too much of time because we need to do the next also. I'll just give the hints to you to come to do it some homework type or not exactly homework. So next is what? Next is what we should do is shortest request next. Okay, which is shortest request next. So this is not like FCFS, which is having shortest request time, that it is going to be done. So same example you can take. Same example you can take for P1, P2, P3, P4 and P5. So this is going to have arrival time of 0, 2, 3, 4 and 8. This is arrival time. Now what is that we need to understand here is service time also. This arrival time they mentioned here, and service time what they mentioned. Same example I am taking. So 3, okay, 3, 3, 5, 2 and 3. So what this algorithm says here is before in we have FCFS, first come first serve. This one P1 is first, it is going to do first next. Okay, so P2 is next, it will do that P2. Whichever is in order we have, that it's going to do. Simple it is. The shortest request time is a bit tricky. What it's going to do is, see here, now out of these many here, which is having shortest request time. First is what? First shortest is P4. Correct? So P4 is first, only 2 seconds it is having. Next second, what is shortest in this? P1 and P2 and P5 also. How much? It's 3 seconds. Third is what? P3. P3 how many seconds? 5 seconds. But now the trickiest thing here is, what? We cannot give the access for P4 first. Why? Can you tell me? Hello? We cannot give the access for P4 first. Why? Why is that so? Because P4 has arrived at 4 seconds. Until 4 seconds, what it should do? If you're trying to draw the Gantt chart for this, usually at 0 seconds to start with. Correct? At 0 seconds, usually as per this algorithm, shortest request next algorithm, okay, P4 should get the access first. I should write here P4. Okay, but that is not correct. Why that is not correct? P4 is arriving at 4 seconds, not 0 seconds. So we should take up P1 first, because P1 is arriving at 0 seconds. Is going to complete it by 3 seconds. Is going to complete at 3 seconds. Done. Now again, you see this here again. So now the option here is, you have either option for P2 or option for P5. Option for P2 or option for P5, and one more option for P4 also, option for P4 also. Out of this, P2 will take 3 milliseconds, P5 will take 3 milliseconds, P4 will take 2 milliseconds. So P4 will be picked up and it's going to end up by.
Sir, our another class has been started.
You have another class, that's what I asked. Okay, fine. Which class now?
DC, sir.
Okay, fine. You can join. You can leave the meeting. That's what I asked. Okay.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you the next time. Okay, you can leave the meeting.